Students, in this video now I am going to explain a new topic, that is units of measurement. Actually this topic is not new for you because you already learned about the unit of measurement. The standard units for measurement for the length is meter, for mass or weight the standard unit is gram, and for volume and capacity the standard unit of measurement is liters. Okay, so these are three standard units of measurement. Apart from these three standard units, we have lots of other units also, like kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Similarly, kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. So you have already learned about these things, that kilo, hecto, deca, kilo, hecto, deca, then standard unit, then deci, centi, milli, kilo, hecto, deca, then standard unit, then deci, centi, milli. Okay, and if you are measuring the length, then everywhere will be meter. If you are measuring the mass or weight, then everywhere will be gram. And if you are measuring the capacity or volume, then you include liters with them. It will make it kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, like that. Now, conversion of these unit. How to convert a centimeter into kilometer, or hectometer into millimeter, or decameter into meter? So many things. How to convert these things, these units into other units? So, if we need to convert any unit into any other units, you need to keep only one point in mind. Only there is one point you have to keep in your mind. If you are going larger unit to smaller unit, then we will multiply. As it is written, you can see on the screen, larger to smaller units. Whenever we will transfer from larger unit to smaller unit, whenever we will convert larger unit into the smaller unit, larger to smaller unit, we will multiply. And if we will convert smaller to larger, we will divide. Now multiply by what? By what digit we will multiply? To find out these, that if we are going to one step only, then we will multiply it by 10. If we are going to two steps, then multiply by 100. If we are going three steps, then multiply by 1000. And if you are going four steps, multiply by 10,000. Five steps, then multiply by lakh, like that. Okay, so just suppose that you have to convert grams into milligrams, grams to milligrams. So one step, two step, three step. Gram is larger unit than milligram. Then if we need to convert grams to milligram, we will multiply it by 1000, because larger to smaller we will multiply, that we knows. Now multiply by what? To find out these, we will count the steps: 1, 2, 3. So it will be multiply by 1000. Did you understand how to find out? That what we will do is, only one point you have to keep in mind, that if you are going larger to smaller unit, we will multiply, smaller to larger unit we will divide. And multiply or divide by what? That we will find out by counting the number of steps. Okay, so let's see one example. Convert 6 kilogram into gram. So here kilogram, and kilogram is to be converted into gram. Kilogram is larger unit, gram is smaller unit. We are converting larger unit into a smaller unit, so we will multiply. And multiply by what? So count step: one step, two step, three step. So it will be multiply by 1000. So 6 multiply 1000, 6000 gram. Now millimeter to centimeter, millimeter to centimeter. Here is the millimeter and here is the centimeter. So millimeter to centimeter, we need to go millimeter to centimeter. Millimeter is the smaller unit than centimeter. So smaller to larger, smaller to larger, so we will divide. We will divide it by 10. By 10 because only one step we need to go. So millimeter to centimeter we will divide and divide it by 10. Why only 10? Because only one step. So 8 divided by 10. 8 divided by 10 will be 0.8 centimeter. How to divide any number by 10, 100, 1000, how to multiply any number by 10, 100 or 1000, you already learned in the previous exercises. I already explained in the previous videos also. So you have to keep that also in your mind. Now convert 5.7 decimeter into mm. Dear students, no need to be confused between dm and dam. There is one unit is dm, one more unit is dam. Whenever dam will be there, it will be decameter, decagram or decaliter. If dm is, then it will be decimeter, decigram or deciliters. Okay, so here it is dm to mm. Dm means decimeter, decimeter to millimeter, decimeter to millimeter. So decimeter to millimeter, decimeter is larger unit than millimeter, so we will multiply by one step, two steps, so multiply by 100. Okay, so multiply by 100, 5.7 multiply by 100, multiply by 100. So we will shift the point two side into the right side. It is multiply by 100, that I already explained. If we multiply any decimal number by 100, 1000, 10,000, 10, then we will just shift the point into the right side according to number of zeros. Here number of zeros are 2, so we will shift the point 2 place. But we have only one place, so we will put 1 0 there. So now try to solve the first question. This is fill in the blanks. From the second question, a few I explained on the next page. You can see these solutions and try to solve other questions. And third question, in third A, 256 meter is to be converted into centimeter and millimeter both. So first of all you have to convert meter to centimeter, then convert meter to millimeter. Similarly milligram to gram, then milligram to kilogram, kiloliter to liter, then kiloliter to milliliter. But in question D, E and F, 118.75 kilometer is equals to kilometer plus meter. So you have to convert this unit into kilometer, and then rest of all will be meters. So how to convert? So first kilometer to kilometer only. Okay. So you have to write here 118 kilometer. Before the point, whatever is there, we will write there 118 kilometer. Okay, that will come as it is there, and then 0.75 kilometer we will convert into meter. So 0.75 kilometer to be converted into meter, so it will be 0.75 multiplied by 1000. So whatever you will get, you will write here. Here we will write 750 meters. Okay. Similarly, 6755 gram to be converted into kilogram and gram also. So we know that in 1 kilogram there are 1000 grams. So in 6000 gram there will be 6 kilograms. So we will write 6 kilogram here, and rest of all 755 will be gram. Similarly, try to solve F also. If you got any doubt, you can ask me again by messages. Try to solve the exercise 3.4. Thank you.